Hello, everybody. Today I have the great honor to be speaking with Thomas Fechner from Bosch Rexroth. And Bosch Rexroth actually won the Hermes Award 2021 at the Hannover Messe Digital Edition this year. And that's exactly what we want to be talking about. But first, Thomas, you're Senior Vice President at Bosch Rexroth. Just give me a brief introduction of what your responsibilities are in this function.
Yeah, of course. I'm the head of Central R&D at Bosch Rexroth, and by this I'm responsible for all functions you mentioned. In our context, most relevant is the new business incubator, where we are working with new business models and deal with highly disruptive technologies beside the running businesses. Very often, this is the success factor to bring the things in target.
Perfect. And Bosch Rexroth, as I just said, won the Hermes Award this year for the world's first electrical actuator that controls, if I'm correctly informed, process valves underwater. So can you just give me a brief introduction on what this technology is and how it actually works?
Yeah, of course. And you were totally right. It's working underwater and actuating there. The whole story started at the beginning of 2019, where we received the first request from a customer for an electric actuator with field-proven safety technology for small bore valves. With the help of agile development methods, we have implemented this solution in just 2 years, a remarkable achievement of such a complex mechatronic system. During this time, we have been in constant exchange with equipment suppliers and operators using design thinking and user experience methodology, and have continuously incorporated new requirements. The SVR handles the adjustment of valves at a sea depth of up to 4,000 meters. Until now, operators have used either expensive underwater robots for this, or torque tools, or inefficient hydraulic cylinders for this purpose. The subsea valve actuator is the first subsea electric valve actuator for the same dimensions as hydraulic cylinders. This means that it can be easily retrofitted in existing plants. In addition, we have integrated a mechanical safety function certified up to SEAL Level 3, Security Level 3. This allows us to eliminate the need for batteries for emergency operation and achieve a service in field of 25 years.
Well, that's amazing. And what I really find interesting is that today, of course, we have the big mega trends, digitalization, automation, but of course, sustainability. And the jury emphasized that economic and ecologically aspects of the actuator are extremely important. Could you maybe explain further on that topic?
Yeah, of course. Through electrification, the subsea valve actuator significantly reduces CO2 emissions from subsea process plants. For many decades, operators of subsea process plants have used hydraulic cylinders to open and close valves. However, to operate a hydraulic cylinder at a depth of 4,000 meters, you need several kilometers of hydraulic pipes. And you need a large central hydraulic power unit above water to supply the valve with the necessary fluid power via these lines. This is very energy intensive simply because of the kilometer-long pipes. Thanks to our disruptive innovation, the complete hydraulic system, the central power unit, the pipes and hydraulic controls can be eliminated, what saves considerable investment costs. The low voltage that also supplies the sensors underwater is sufficient for the power supply of the subsea valve actuator. This saves operation costs and sustainably reduces the carbon footprint of the subsea factories. And because of its standardized interface, the subsea valve actuator is very simple to use and can easily be integrated to automate existing subsea production fields. At the end, the customer really enjoyed to use it.
And talking about enjoyment, because what I remember at Hannover Messe Digital Edition was the extremely emotional moment when you won the award and you jumped on stage, and we're extremely happy for this achievement. Just give me in a few words, what does the Hermes Award actually mean for you? What does it mean for your work with your team at Bosch Rexroth?
Yeah, of course, this was really emotional. The Hermes Award is considered as one of the most distinguished innovation awards in the industry worldwide. And it's very important for us because it makes our innovation known to a wide range of experts. It motivates us to continue to question the status quo and advance the state of the art through disruptive innovations, especially with regard to climate protection. In all development projects, we rely on agile methods and close cooperation with equipment suppliers and customers. This enables us to accelerate the pace of development and meet needs precisely. The Hermes Award shows that we are on the right track here. The reactions on the award clearly show that climate protection and smaller carbon footprint are on the minds of many companies from all industries and continents, and that they want to make their contribution as we like to do.
And since Hannover Messe is always about the future, from your perspective, what are the next steps for the actuator, and do you see any future fields of application?
Yeah, of course. In the third quarter of this year, we will start with the first pilot application underwater. Due to the compact size and its safety functions, it can replace hydraulic cylinders in many existing subsea factories. But it also simplifies the design of new subsea factories and saves a significant amount of hardware costs. In the medium term, we see considerable potential for use in the production of green hydrogen. Offshore wind energy plants can be used to economically produce large quantities of hydrogen, of course CO2-free. Another application are carbon capture and storage plants, which extract CO2 from the atmosphere and store it underwater in former production sites. Here too, we are already in initial talks with customers. We at Bosch Rexroth are proud to contribute to the realization of such projects for sustainable climate protection through disruptive innovations.
Thomas, it's been a real pleasure talking to you. Thank you for your insights on the SVA R2. To all viewers, if you have any questions concerning this topic, get in contact with Thomas and his team. They'll be happy to help. And we're hoping to be seeing all of you latest next year at Hannover Messe 2022. See you.
See you.